Okay, so I don't know Vulkan, but I've been compiling all these libraries. I'm trying to get an RTS engine going, and I refuse to get Unity and Godot and Unreal 5 and Lumberyard. Alright, so I cloned the Chronos Group Vulkan-Samples directory. I also got the SDK, but I'm going to see if I can get it to run without the SDK. I also got something else. Yeah, so clone the directory and my Alliance and Allegiance game engine libraries. So I have to just cd into samples. Alright, so these are going to be my libraries. They're going to be I am GUI, which I also should go build. I am GUI is like really fun. And let's go to the Vulkan-Samples. And it should be. Make sure this is how this is. Oh. So I'm GUI. Doesn't have a makefile? Oh. Alright, so it has, comes with this. It's still different than the one I got over there, somewhere else. Alright, so, Vulkan. Code of conduct. I don't understand. This is to clone the samples, then go to the Windows build guide, then run cmake. Oh, build Windows. Alright, let's follow their enable your device for development. What the fuck does this mean? Alright, so that command didn't work. So we kind of have to put this, make this 16 and put 22. Alright, so that did something. Generates code blocks files. Oh, so it's 17. So 16 was 2019. I knew it was going to be not that one. I've ran the command before at some point. Alright. What? Okay. Visual Studio 17, 2022. And alright, so let's try that. Alright, so it's going to be inside of Windows too. The usual runaround. What did I cmake? I just cmade something. Oh, so I cmade the Llama C++ build 4 and I built it, but I'm still getting some error with that. I'm trying to, my video is also titled Fixing this main menu. So let's have this running too while I'm fixing it. Alright, so yeah, so when I was building Llama C++, I'm also building it with these instruction sets. It's interesting because a lot of them will use a lot of the same libraries, like OpenCV a lot of times for web camera, and this OpenCV is Open Capture Vision, or Capture. It's basically webcam. All right, so your build files have been written to blah 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 blah. And I have a lot of Visual Studios open. I should reboot. also doing this, and I kind of want to finish this and then reboot TFRGB. Let's go copy TFRGB. Then I gotta upload the outload panel. Oh, really? All right, so Vulkan-Samples. Oh, great. On the other machine, I'm also building something. I'm building Python 3.8 on Windows 7 using Cygwin. It's always good. It's always interesting to do stuff like that. And I had to run a special setup command, allow unsupported Windows site, some site that the site gave me, crouching.net, and then no verify. It's always nice when you have to know verify, install it. All right, so Cygwin has installed my Windows 7 machine. It's always nice. All right, so maybe I can compile Vulkan on there too. It's Windows 7, just to see. It's about like how far I'll get and how much. Okay, Vulkan-Samples. Man, it's always nice to go look at your, because I'm planning to compile this on Android and something else. What was it? Either Bullet. There's another library on here I got to compile Android for. Bullet or Source Engine or something. Samples General API. Depth texture loading. Triangle. Yeah, so the next thing will be probably compiling IMGUI, and then I should do it in order. IMGUI and then ASIMP. Ooh. Build. Should be okay. Well, OBS is having issues. G left W Vulkan, okay. Win32 Vulkan. I think I need to recursively check out IMW. It's not going to work. Pi bullet yesterday built, but it's missing Pi. I mean, bullet 3, not Pi, but Pi bullet failed because missing Python 312.lib. Alright, let's go try to find what has it given us here. Yeah, this is what we built. Alright, so we gotta go look in this directory. Oh, yeah, so obviously the build directory. Okay, let's go look at the samples. Log initiated, specify use sample argument. Okay. Would I have to install the Vulkan SDK for this to work, or what? Host image copy. Yeah, it's been stupid. Oh, okay. So that's how we do it. You type in the exe. I don't know. For some reason, it bugs out. I'm going to do the word sample and then the sample name. We have to specify oh, this is annoying. Data path. Assets. All right. Go back to Vulkan-Samples. I believe we got to point it to this shit. Oh no. We pointed it to the wrong place. I knew that might have happened, but whatever. Let's try it now. Okay, next thing, I'll be fixing more menu stuff and going 8. I'll continue this on later. I'll just look at this. Oh, this is the church example. This is like Valve. Valve had a church example. They had a gold bell though. Load, cleared, on color attachment operation, death score operation, don't care. Use VK, clear attachment color. GPU NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070. Fragments cycles not available. Render pass. External read bytes not available. This is it. It feels choppy. It's like once in a blue moon, I feel a little hookup. And it's not when move. Oh, there it was. So how would I export to this? just